friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to cover guys how can we turn off aeroplane mode in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to off your aeroplane mode settings, so then you can off. And friends, now let's see how to off aeroplane mode in our Redmi phone. In this video guys, I will show you guys from your phone setting and how to off. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon. So when first of all open your phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Redmi phone. So friends, click on this more setting guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your airplane mode is on. So when you want to off, so you can off from this right side guys. Sorry friends, I paused the video because of sound guys. I'm really sorry guys, continue. Friends, you can see this icon guys, tap here guys, your airplane mode will off in your Redmi phone. And guys, now you can use guys your mobile data setting, network setting, whatever you want to use you can use in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye guys.